We thank God for the fact that we are alive and we are health. It is a miracle, by the way, guys. I want to start by thanking our new subscribers. First of all, welcome to this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. I think I've started by laughing and thanking God for the gift of life. We don't take it for granted, guys. And I will thank our subscribers, our returning subscribers, our new subscribers. We appreciate you as always. And we always pray for you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord enlarge you. May the Lord shield you and protect you. We don't take it for granted, guys, that you watch us, you comment, you like our videos. We really appreciate. And today, when you see me laughing, know that there is something good that I'm going to talk about. Because wherever I talk about, by the way, there is a guy who came to the comment section and told me that we always talk about Jamaica and we don't talk about the other Caribbeans. And I want to explain, it's not that we hate the other Caribbeans, it's because we don't know much about the other Caribbeans, because the people we follow, or rather we watch their videos, talk mostly about Jamaica. I don't know why, by the way. But I want to tell you, maybe I'll start finding out about the other Caribbeans, but there is a time I shot a video about Haiti, and we were going through the streets of Haiti with African tigress. I also talked about Trinidad and Tobago, when Dimango, when Christmas trees, when Shane, when Coco Girl were there in Trinidad and Tobago. And therefore, the more we get to know other countries, we are going to talk about them, because we all want the Caribbeans to be at the top there. The Caribbeans hold most of our people, the black people, and therefore we appreciate each and every island in the Caribbeans. But Jamaica, we have gone to know a lot about them. We have come to appreciate them. We have come to love them because of what we have heard about them. The other thing, Jamaicans don't shy from talking about their country. And I think that has contributed a lot to us knowing them and wanting to talk about them. And many people talk positivity about Jamaica. I'm not saying the other islands are not good, because we have seen people going to the other islands and they are great. Trinidad and Tobago is a great island. St. Vincent, we saw Dimango there and it was a great island. Is it St. Vincent? And then there was Grenada, a very great island. We saw the fruits, we saw the spices, we saw everything that is grown in Grenada. And our brothers in Jamaica and outside Jamaica in the diaspora, and even the Trinidadians and the Grenadians and all the other Caribbeans, Cuba, St. Kitts, St. Vincent, and all the other islands, they join hearts together to embrace one another, to celebrate one another. They love one another. And therefore we cannot segregate. We are going to find out about the other islands and we'll be bringing to you a lot about the other islands. Today, I still want to talk about Jamaica. Don't come with the stones to stone me. Because like I have explained, we have known so much. We actually, like me specifically, I already feel like I am a Jamaican. When they go to the field, I feel I am part of them. When they are competing somewhere, I feel like I am part of them, because we have interacted with them a lot in these social platforms. Actually, the next step, I'll go out of here and go and look for a Jamaican restaurant in Kenya, and we're going to have a good time eating the Jamaican food, guys. So let us talk about Jamaica until we get to know about the other islands, and we can equally talk about them, because I know all the Caribbean islands are great. They are wonderful places to be. They are great. Actually, we have seen Trinidad and Tobago, though Dimango did not spend a lot of the time there because of actually what was going on between Christmas trees and the government of Trinidad and Tobago. But I believe Trinidad and Tobago is a great island, and we are supposed to find out about their history, find out about the greatness of that land. And actually, I told you, they are miners. They mine a lot. There is a lot of minerals in Trinidad and Tobago. And not even that. We talked about what they grow there. I had shot a video on them. St. Vincent, we talked about the spices. And therefore, we are going to find more about the other islands and we talk about them. So today, I want to talk about something great, guys, about Jamaica. I always tell you, I think Jamaica, I'm sorry to say that, is my country role model. Is there something like that? Can you make a country your role model? Yeah, the people of Jamaica have become my role model. I love their characteristic. I love their hard work. I love their determination. I love the zeal and the patience with the people of Jamaica. Yesterday I was talking about the people of Jamaica and how they have made it to the top there through a lot of struggles, through perseverance, through hard work, through resilience, through a lot of determination, through love, and they have made it to the top there. Today, we are celebrating Jamaica in Paris. There is Olympics that are going on in France, in Paris. And I want to tell you, you would have seen the young people entering that field. By the way, guys, there was an opening ceremony of the 2024 Olympics in Paris, in France. And I want to tell you, Jamaicans will always shine. And I tell them, Igwe, Igwe, Igwe. We say that when we are celebrating people that are great, that are resilient, that are overcomers, that are determined, that all those adjectives. And therefore, the Jamaicans in the field of Paris, as they attended the opening day, the yellow flags and the green colors of the Jamaican people were actually beautifying the whole area. I think I'm shouting, sorry for that. You know, I actually get excited. Do you know, guys, I was there glued to my laptop, to my TV, just to get these people in the boat singing, one love, let's get together and be all right. I was saying, those are the yards. They cannot be intimidated, irrespective, because I'm going to cover what happened in that. Is it a field, by the way? What happened during that opening ceremony? It was not very pleasing, but the Jamaicans will not be intimidated. They will not be pulled down by just a few seconds airtime. A boat where they were supposed to enter with the Haitians, one tugboat, while the other people had a cruise, their own cruise, the American and the France team. But that is nothing to the people of the yard. They entered that boat and they sang and celebrated, raising their flag high and telling the people, we have entered this field and we are not gonna come out without gold medals and silver medals. I think he was the head of the team, Ian Kerry. Kindly tell me who Ian Kerry was. I think he was the head of the team. He was very optimistic that Jamaicans are going to come out of that field with gold medals, and if not gold medals, silver medals. And let me tell you, the team of Jamaica, if one of you happens to watch this video, we are expecting a lot from you. We have faith in you. We have trust in you. You can do it. You can conquer. You can shame the enemy. You can show them the tingle. And we know God is with you. Because, by the way, guys, do you know, in the comment section, people were really praying for them. Not in the comment. I watched some videos of this opening ceremony. I watched it, and then I watched some videos that were actually showing the opening ceremony, and people in the comment section were really praying for the team, the Jamaican team, the people that are going to participate in the 2024 Olympics. And I'm sure, because I know some of the participants are great people, great people. We have actually covered them here in this YouTube channel. We have talked about how they can learn. And before I come to the team members and the flag bearers who held the flag of Jamaica high, and it was flying all over, everybody noted it, irrespective of the short airtime, 2 to 3 seconds. We noted the colors of the flag of Jamaica flying high, and very proud people of their nation. I don't think there is another country that was so visible like the flag of Jamaica. I'm not biased, by the way, guys, because Jamaicans will not keep quiet. They will not shy away. They will not be coward. Like I said yesterday, they stood there and they swung their flag high, celebrating and singing and dancing and beating the drums. I was watching and saying, wow, these are the great people of Jamaica. They have come with a winning spirit. They have come with determination. They have come with faith. They have come holding their flag high. And they can never allow their flag to go down without several gold medals. We have trust in you guys. And I'm going to mention who are in these teams. And you're going to see these are people that are capable of bringing gold medals back in Jamaica. And we celebrate you. We actually appreciate you. The hard work you have put, the lot of energy you have put, the time you have put, and representing Jamaica in a great way in the parish, or rather in the town of Paris in France. Everybody knew Jamaica has arrived. They raised their flag high. They danced. They celebrated. They could not be brought down by a lot of things that were happening in that opening ceremony. And I want to say, the Jamaicans really entertained us during that opening ceremony. Because at some times, we could be brought to the city of Paris instead of being brought to the teams that are participating. I'm sorry to say that. We were brought to the city of Paris, and I was saying, why? Why don't you bring the teams that are participating and show us every country and the team representing that country? And we all saw there was a restriction of the Jamaicans that were supposed to enter the boat. Actually, they were supposed to be only 24. And I was wondering what criteria was used to select the people that are going to go in the opening ceremony. While there were so many Jamaicans, actually there were 66 participants. I don't know what criteria was actually used to determine who are going to be in the opening ceremony. But I want to thank some of the great Jamaicans who have been in several opening ceremonies and who sacrificed for their sisters and brothers to attend the opening ceremony instead of them. And people are wondering, where is so-and-so? Like, for example, we could not see Sherry, we could not see Sherika, and these two actually sacrificed themselves and allowed the people that have never attended an opening ceremony to go and attend. Can you see the unity in the people of Jamaica, the purpose in the people of Jamaica, the great sacrifice with the people of Jamaica, the love they have for one another? These two, Sherry and Sherika, actually refused to attend the opening ceremony so that the other Jamaicans that were first timers can attend the opening ceremony and celebrate and have fun. You can see the sacrifice that the people of Jamaica can. And actually they support each other, they stand with each other, they cannot be separated by anything. And I love that. The other thing that I noted, so I noted the restriction bit, that there was a restriction on let me say, not just the Jamaicans, even other Caribbeans and even the Africans. There was restrictions on the number of people who are supposed to attend the opening ceremony. While, I'm sorry to say that, the other countries, they had their full team participating in the opening ceremony. And I wondered why? By the way, in the other video, I talked about this guy, Ringwood, I think it's Rinford, who was slanning for the British people. And this guy went through a lot of racism. I hope now that racism is no longer there. And it is said that they went to an extent of attacking his house. And it was said he has stolen a car, which was a lie. And also later, he was actually sexually harassed. But in spite of all that, Greenford won the first gold medal in Britain. He was actually the first man to win a gold medal. I don't know whether this is still existing, because when I saw the teams restricted, I wondered why is the USA and the France team in full and they have their own crews and they are not being restricted? I wondered why. Maybe the people who are participating in those Olympics or the people who know better can explain to us why the restrictions. And I kept on asking myself, why? Well, the Haitians and together with the Jamaican people were put in a tugboat together, both of them. It defeats the purpose, it defeats the reasoning. Why? Why did this happen? Maybe we'll get answers from the people that know what was happening on the ground. Then I come to the airtime given. The way the media stations were showing this event. This is a great event that covers the whole world. And the broadcasting stations that are supposed to broadcast in that particular opening ceremony, they are supposed to be very, very straightforward. They are not supposed to be biased. But we saw the Jamaican team was given very few seconds in terms of air time. Let me call it air time. Not only the Jamaicans, the Caribbeans, the Africans, they were given very little airtime, and instead of showing them, either the other teams were shown or the town of Parish was being put while the others are parading. In other words, when the Africans and the Caribbeans are parading, it was either a town being shown or commercial breaks. And I wondered why? Human beings are the same. There is no better human being than the other. And I want to say categorically, I was shocked. Because I was expecting, guys, don't mistake me, because I was very eager to see the whole lot of Jamaican team parading and going through the opening ceremony, but I was shocked. It was just a few seconds and that was the end. While the other teams were given a lot of airtime. I understand, because some people are saying that the media station that was actually airing is from United States of America. And therefore they have to show their teams because they are promoting their teams. But even when you are showing your team, you are supposed to show the other teams. And I saw people commenting in the comment section of some videos I watched for other Olympics that have gone past by. People are saying it is not the first time. This has been happening whereby other teams are given more airtime than the others. And even if a person wins a gold medal, obviously that person should be the focus, the attention focus. Actually, all the media stations should focus on that person who is being awarded for attaining a gold medal. But instead of that, they cover their own who have maybe bronze or silver or who have not won the race, which is very, very funny, because I expect that the person who wins the gold medal should actually be featured and given interviews and highlighted in every media station, because this is a great achievement. Getting a gold medal in the Olympics is a lot of hard work, is a lot of sacrifice, is a lot of self-denial, is a lot of going out of your way. And therefore, I expect the media stations on the ground to show everything, because it's not possible for all of us to travel with the teams that are participating in the Olympics. Some of us, it will cost so much and we don't have that money. Like, for example, let me talk about Kenya. Kenya is known for the long distance race, but we cannot be able to take our competitors. Actually, I could see Jamaicans were very many, and they were celebrating and putting warmth on each other. Kenyans, maybe they travel maybe less than 20 people. And we cannot be able to take our media stations for coverage in those areas. They try to cover, but not always. And therefore, the media stations that are on the ground are supposed to give every person equal airtime, equal focus, equal attention, equal interviews, so that we get to know these men and women who are doing great in the land. But I want to celebrate the people of all these continents, Africa, Jamaica, Caribbeans, because they cannot be put down by what is happening around them. They are firm. They believe in themselves. They have worked hard to reach the Olympics, and they cannot give way their determination. They cannot give way their will. They cannot give way their ability to do what took them there, and therefore we celebrate. So the next time, we hope there'll be a lot of equality in the media coverage, and also there'll be what? A lot of equality in the distribution of the people that are going to attend. In the people that are going to attend the opening ceremony. That is what we would want to see, guys, and we would appreciate that very much, because guys, these people have done great. They have done a lot of work to reach the Olympics. They desire, or rather they have the right to have the media coverage and to be featured in these great media stations. BBC, the other one is NBC, I think so. So they have a right to be covered by these stations and to be shown the great women and men who are defeating all the odds to be great in the world, to compete for the world. And by the way, we talked about even the competitors of the other countries. They are actually either Jamaican born or they have their blood in Jamaica. So it is good to give them, all of them, equal airtime and equal opportunities to actually participate in the opening ceremony. Otherwise, Jamaicans, you made us proud. You are actually flying your flag high, and we celebrated with you. We saw the dancing, we saw the celebration, we saw the singing, and we were happy. Who were the flag bearers of Jamaica team? I told you the Jamaica team comprised of 66 athletes. And these 66, not athletes really, I don't know whether there are 66 athletes, because there are several competitions that the Jamaican teams are supposed to participate. They are supposed to participate in judo, they are supposed to participate in swimming and diving, they are supposed to participate in field and track events, and therefore in all this, there are some competitors from Jamaica. In other words, there are some competitors that have come from Jamaica in diving and swimming. We all know that Jamaica is surrounded by water masses, and these guys are great in swimming. We all have seen the Jamaicans that have been going around with the Dimwango, with Shonarwa, and the way they love the water, the way they keep on swimming in the water. And we believe in the team that has gone to Paris to participate in swimming and diving, and we know they are going to do Jamaica proud. We believe in you. I strongly believe in you. I cannot wait to celebrate your win. So there are people that have gone to compete in swimming and diving, and there are people that are going to participate in track and field events, and there are people that are going to participate, in judo. I think judo, something like that. Who were the flag bearers of these teams? There was Shaneka. I hope I'm pronouncing the name properly. Shaneka Ricketts. She was one of the flag bearers of the Jamaican team. Shaneka Ricketts is going to participate in triple jump. So she's one of the field event competitors in Paris in the 2024 Olympics. And Shaneka Ricketts was very appreciative of being given this chance to be the flag bearer of the Jamaican team. And according to her, she was saying, other years, it has been either a track person, they have been always the track people, the 100 meters, the 200 meters, the 800 meters, who have been flag bearers. But the first time, this is the first time, a field event person has been the flag bearer of Jamaica. And she was saying, I am optimistic that this is going to encourage very many young people to participate in field events, because we all know Jamaica shines a lot in track events, the long distance, the short distance races, 100 meters, 200 meters, 400 meters. Jamaica shines there. Because remember, we shot a video talking about the fastest people in the world are Jamaicans. So Shaneka Ricketts is going to participate in the field event, and she's one of the participants in the triple jumps. And we are wishing you well, Shaneka, and we are optimistic that you're going to make Jamaica proud. The other flag bearer was Josh Kerry. I hope the pronunciation is correct. Josh Kerry. Josh Kerry is actually a swimmer. I told you that there are several activities that the Jamaican team are going to participate, to compete in. So Josh is going to participate in swimming. I told you there is a team for swimming and diving. There is a team for field events where Shaneka is, and there is a team for track events where we have Sherry and Fresha, one of the world gold medalists. So these people are going to do great in Paris in Olympics. And then we have, of course, Shaneka, John, who are leading the Jamaicans team for Paris 2024. So these are the people that were on the front line to actually carry the flag for the Jamaican team. So I've said there was Shaneka Ricketts and Josh Curry. Then I have said Sherry Ann Fresher and Sharieka Joan. They are leading the Jamaican team in a 2024 Olympic Championship. And I would also want to highlight some of the key people that are amongst the Jamaican team that went to Paris. English is not vegetable, like Mayuno says. Sometimes you are forced to hear that slightly so that you can think what you're going to say. I want to highlight some of the great names in the Jamaican team in the 2024 Olympics. Guys, you'll not believe it. The people that are in Jamaican team are world championship record holders. They have gotten gold in the Olympics, and they are the fastest runners in the whole world. What am I talking about? Look at Sherry Ann Fraser. She's one of the participants in the 2024 short distance Olympics. Sherry Ann Fraser, we all know, she has been a gold medal holder. She has been one of the fastest women that we know. And Sherry Ann, we have the confidence in you that you are bringing to us a gold medal. The other one is Sharieka Joan. These two are going to participate in the short distance races together with other women who have been trained thoroughly to participate in these races. And therefore, we know that they are coming home with gold medals. The other person, and we all know him, he's the next Usain Bolt in Jamaica. I know you have already guessed who it is. Kishane Thompson. We talked about Kishane and we found that he actually broke the record of Usain Bolt, and therefore we are very, very optimistic that Kishane is going to do us proud. He's going to come out of that Olympics with a gold medal to bring the enemy to shame. Kishane, we trust you. We know you can make it. We know you know the tingle. And therefore, we are not waiting for anything less than a gold medal, because you are capable, and we have all prayed for you guys that you're going to bring to us gold medals in Jamaica. And guys, the reason why I'm saying us is because I belong to two countries. You know the tingle. I belong to Jamaica, and therefore I am looking forward to the Jamaican team winning the Olympic 2024. I also belong to Kenya. And you know, guys, we feature, or rather we are champion in the long distance races. So my eyes are focusing on two teams, the Jamaican team and our home team. And guys, we have trust in you. We have faith in you. We believe in you. You know that you can make it because you are hardworking people, you are determined people, and you have done what it takes to reach the Olympics. And we are optimistic that you're going to bring to us gold home. And Jamaicans, we are going to celebrate as we enter that plane to go home with our gold medals. Just like we celebrate when we enter the plane and we ride in our place of destination, we are going to celebrate the many gold medals, the silver medals, the bronze that we're going to take home. Kenya team, we also wait for the same thing. The gold medals, the silver medals, and the bronze. Because we know you can do it through Christ who strengthens you, and we have prayed for you. So yours is to go to the field and do the tingo. The other person that is in this great team is Obrig Sivel. Obrig Sivel is also a gold medalist, and therefore that is why I'm telling you this team will bring glory to Jamaica, will bring glory to Kenya, the Kenyan team, and we believe in you. The other person is Akim Blake, who is also a very, very fast runner. And therefore, the Jamaican team, we have what it takes. We have the power, we have the energy, we have the training, we have the genes. What can prevent us from bringing the gold medals home? Nothing, absolutely nothing. And you know, guys, we are never defeated. The Jamaicans are never defeated. They never lose hope. We have mentioned that several times. And therefore, we are optimistic. We are positive that you're going to win these races. Those that are diving, those that are swimming, those that are learning, those that are participating in the field events, we know you are going to do Jamaica proud. And also those that are participating in the Kenyan team, we know you're going to make our country proud. And we appreciate you, we really love you, and we wish you all the best. May the Lord be with you, may the Lord guide you, may the Lord give you the strength, and may you win to bring glory to our land. Jamaica to the world, Kenya to the world. See you during the next video. Bye bye.